fun Easter activities for the whole family. Get the whole family involved in Easter fun this year with activities everyone will enjoy. Whether it's hunting for eggs, decorating them, or baking delicious treats, there's something for everyone. Let's get cracking. Have Easter brunch or dinner. Imagine the warmth of your kitchen, filled with the delicious aromas of Easter brunch or dinner, as the whole family pitches in. Children, with their little hands eagerly working the pancake batter, can help create adorable bunny pancakes, decorated with fruit for the faces. Let them sprinkle the table with festive confetti and lay out napkins in soft spring hues. Meanwhile, the adults can focus on the main dishes, glazing a ham to perfection or roasting lamb until it's tender and juicy. When it's time for dessert, everyone can gather around to mix and decorate a carrot cake, topping it with cream cheese frosting and a pinch of cinnamon. And what better way to wash down this fabulous feast than with a homemade fruit punch, bursting with the flavors of fresh berries and citrus, refreshing as a cool breeze on a spring day. Easter baking ideas. Chocolate nest cakes. Chocolate nest cakes are a classic Easter treat that's perfect for baking with kids, and they can be easily customized to suit your tastes. Whether you use milk or dark chocolate and top them with speckled eggs or your favorite sweets, you're guaranteed a delicious creation. You can make a traditional chocolate nest cake, or for something smaller, pop cupcake cases into a muffin tin and spoon your chocolatey cornflake mixture into the cases. Chill them before adding your Easter goodies on top. How to plan an Easter egg hunt. Easter egg hunts are often the highlight of the holiday, and these simple tips will help ensure yours goes smoothly. Top tip: take a picture of where you've hidden the eggs. Also, make sure there are no pets in the garden, we don't want them finding the chocolate first. What you'll need: a bucket or basket for collecting eggs. Equal amounts of chocolate for each hunter. Easy to access hiding spots. A safe, designated area for the hunt. We don't want kids running near cars or sharp tools. Decorate Easter eggs and make an Easter egg tree. Decorating Easter eggs is a fun way for everyone to show their artistic side. Try different techniques, like drawing with wax crayons before dyeing the eggs to create unique patterns, or wrapping eggs in onion skins and boiling them for a marbled effect. Once the masterpieces are ready, assembling an Easter egg tree becomes a group effort. Use a mix of real and plastic eggs, and let the kids decide where each one should hang. This tree will not only be a beautiful centerpiece for your Easter decor but also a symbol of your family's creativity and teamwork. Track the Easter Bunny. Turn your home into a bunny tracker's dream with a mini adventure to find clues that the Easter Bunny has visited. Start by crafting a letter from the bunny explaining his mission, and hide it somewhere in the house for the kids to discover. As they follow clues from room to room, they can collect little treats along the way. The final clue can lead to a basket of goodies, or maybe even a map to the start of the Easter egg hunt outside. It's a magical experience that blends imagination with the thrill of discovery, sure to delight both kids and adults. And who knows, you might even convince the grown-ups that Mr. Bunny really did hop through the garden. Pogo Stick Game. After indulging in all those Easter treats, it's time to bounce into action with a family pogo stick challenge. Whether you're bouncing in place or navigating an obstacle course in the yard, it's a great way to get everyone moving and laughing. A pogo stick game gets hearts pumping and spirits soaring. It also helps kids practice balance and coordination. See who can bounce the longest, or pull off the funniest trick. No matter how high you go, it's all about having fun and enjoying some active playtime together. Easter is a time of renewal and joy, and these activities offer fun ways for families and friends to come together, share laughs, and celebrate the season. Happy Easter, everyone. May your day be filled with fun, creativity, and plenty of chocolate. Thank you for watching.